Good morning. This is a recording for Friday, January 31st. As you can see, I'm back on the island. I came back again to the jungle. The tree grows just so fast. Can't even see the ocean, but hopefully I'll take care of it soon. Although I love it, but I also want to see the ocean. Anyway, today we will do a practice in equanimity. I'll remind you that equanimity is the quality of remaining grounded and stable in the midst of any emotional experience, whether it's pleasant, unpleasant, or neutral. For example, when you notice suffering, you respond to it with compassion rather than being knocked off balance by the unexpected sight or whatever you hear. Alan Locus, the author of the book Pocket Peace, says a modern definition of equanimity is cool. This refers to one whose mind remains stable and calm in all situations. Equanimity has what is called a near enemy. This is a quality that looks similar but is actually not helpful. The near enemy of equanimity is apathy or indifference, the quality of not caring at all. And those are not the same, right? Equanimity is not apathy. Equanimity is not indifference. Equanimity is not caring. Equanimity is about attending to your experience with care and stability, whereas apathy and indifference mean turning away from the experience altogether and ceasing to care. So watch out for apathy or indifference as you practice equanimity. And if these states arise, acknowledge it and perhaps offer yourself a few words of loving kindness, reconnecting with the naturally caring part of your heart. So take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Let the eyes close. Make sure that you are relaxed and at the same time alert. And start bringing your awareness into this moment, right here, right now, into your present experience. Notice the sounds, the feelings in the body, and your overall mental state. Let your awareness be open and receptive. Just watch what is happening in this moment, and when something comes up that draws your attention, tune into the mind, noticing where you get knocked off balance. Maybe certain sounds, thoughts, or feelings in the body feel charged, pulling you from your calm state of mind. So just sit with this awareness of your own balance for the next minute or so, and I'll be silent. Now bring to mind someone you care about deeply. Connect with your intention to care for this person. And recognize that although you may care for them, you cannot control their happiness. And let's offer a few phrases of equanimity to this person. May you be happy. May you be in charge of your happiness. Your happiness is dependent upon your actions, not my wishes for you. And of course, as always, you can shorten this verse or choose different words that resonate better for you. Again, I'll be silent, giving you a bit of space to do this on your own. Now switch to somebody else you care about. Maybe for this round, try to find someone who is currently experiencing some pain or suffering. Connecting with your intention to care but remain stable at the same time. Offer this person the phrases of compassion and equanimity. May you be free from suffering. May you take action to care for your pain. Your freedom is dependent upon your actions, not my wishes for you. Again, you can shorten the verse or choose your own words. Let me be silent for a little bit. And finally, bring to mind somebody in your life who has had some joy or success recently. Offer a few phrases of appreciative joy, staying connected to your equanimity. May your joy continue. May you be in charge of your joy. Your joy is in your hands and is not dependent upon my wishes for you. Again, shorten this verse if you'd like, or use your own words. I'll be silent for a while. Now return to your own experience once again. Recognize that your happiness is in your own hands. Be proud of your effort in practicing. Put your hands on your heart and offer yourself the energy of loving kindness. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As always, as you gently let go of this practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now. physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue exploring equanimity in your day-to-day life. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.